What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Start Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So I was a little sidetracked. It was a long shift, and I just couldn't have time to edit and fix a video from 2 days ago because I'm trying to get daily videos, to be honest with you. And, I was sidetracked and, with work and this and that. But I want to go over 3 high yield dividend stocks. These are business development companies that, they're a little down right now, and I'm going to capitalize on. Again, my focus right now is some of the Yieldmax ETFs, the high yield ETFs, okay, the options and income ETFs. But these 3, I need to get to probably 200, 250 shares, to be honest with you, because looking at these, and the potential for passive income and creating my own retirement pension is there. Now, you're not going to get really good dividend growth, okay? And the risk with business development companies is, things don't go well, and, 90% plus of what they make go back to investors. Things don't go well, you're not going to get really good bang for your buck. So income-wise, it's kind of stagnant. It's slow dividend growth. Now, I'll go over dividend growth stocks later this week, hot ones that I need to have passive income buy, okay? And the goal is, with a lot of these BDCs, is to use their passive income to buy my dividend growth stocks and then eventually flip it so I earn the passive income on both of them. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check out these 3 business development companies right now. The first one I'm going to go over is Hercules Capital. It's sitting at 1967. So it has a dividend yield of 9.77%. You got to be careful with high yield dividend stocks. I'm just telling you because things go bad, they can get in your face. So that's why they can blow up in your face. So you have to be well diversified. PE ratio is 9.70. The average volume 722.95K. Market cap 3.19 billion US dollars. The year range is 1514 to 2178. So these BDCs are starting to catch up. They're down. I need to capitalize on them. Day range 1915 to 1918. Previous close 1913. So I'm going to go to the revenue trends. Just the revenue trends, okay? And dividend history. I'm not going to go into them in depth. Just going to show you some revenue trends. So htgc is the symbol. Let's check them out revenue-wise. Let's look at some consistency, okay? Because you've got to have very good consistency with business development companies so that you get a decent amount of dividend growth and you get the high yield. You have to be careful. Revenue, quarterly, 122.6 million. Net income was up 120. It was up 92.18%, and the net income was 120.18 million. The revenue was up in December 2023 quarterly, 22.37%. Then you go in March. Revenue was up 15.67%. That was 121.55 million. June 2024, it was 125.01 million. So yes, net profit margin, diluted earnings per share were a little bit down, but look at this in September. Revenue 125.25 million. That was up 7.28%. Net income was 68.71 million. That was up 145.69%. Diluted earnings per share was up 121.05%. That was 0.42. Net profit margin was up 128.96%. But remember, revenue. It's about revenue trends. You've got to be very careful with business development company. That's why I'm well diversified. I'll say that 1,000 times. Diversity is important. This is good. But again, dividend growth always wins. Just remember that long-term wise, and I'll explain that to you just comparing the dividend history of all of these. I'm going to start 2014, 31 cents, very stagnant. So you see, again, the high yielders, the dividend growth is a little slow. 2018, 33 cents, then 31 cents, then 33 cents. 2019, 34 cents, 35 cents. And in 2020, 40 cents, then 32 cents, 34 cents, 37 cents in 2021, 39 cents in 2021, 40 cents in 2021, 48 cents in 2022, and then 50 cents, 51 cents, then 47 cents in 2023, then 48 cents, and then it's stagnant at 48 cents. So again, if I get to 200 shares, we're talking. So you're going to get normally a high payout ratio with business development companies. The number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 10. Dividend growth in 5 years, 6.41%. So if you bought one share, you made 160 with a 8.36% dividend yield. They just updated that pretty much live. But look at the dividend growth. It isn't completely there. So again, I want to use this passive income to buy dividend growth stock. So I'm going to start loading up on them probably at the start of December-ish. I'm going to start focusing on BDCs a little bit. Like I said, I want to go a little bit into my Yieldmax ETFs so that I can start buying these, the Yieldmax income, to buy them. That's the goal. And then them, I'm going to just call them as the BDCs, which isn't not the best English of what I'm saying, but these BDCs to buy dividend growth stocks. And then the dividend growth stocks will give me raises like you wouldn't believe it. Okay? Now look at this. This is 48 cents, 50 cents. So dividend growth isn't always the most reliable, but the income is nice. Let's jump to the next business development company. You have to really know what you're doing with business development companies. You have to be very careful. I'm telling you, things can happen. So shouldn't be the most reliable. And again, I have way more confidence in my dividend growth stocks, Lowe's, Home Depot, Starbucks, okay, Bank of America, those ones. So let's look at Capital Southwest Corporation sitting at 22.81. The dividend yield is 11.09%. The PE ratio is 13.75. The average volume is 290.12K. The market cap is 1.09 billion US dollars. Year range is 2152 to 2723. Day range is 2252 to 2307. Previous close is 2249. Now I'm just going to go over revenue trends. I'm not going to go in depth with them. In the future, I will. I want to just go over some trends that you need to be aware of. And what I like doing with business development companies is look at, also I showed you some quarterly trends with Hercules Capital. So you should look at quarterly. This is what I do. I look at quarterly and yearly. Okay, I want to see an increase in revenue, because if there's an increase in revenue, that increases my confidence. This is annually millions US dollars. 2015, 9.948. 2016, 9.16. See that? A little bit of a decrease, but we need to look at the consistency long term. 2017, 23.47 million. 2018, 35.12 million. 2019, 51.88 million. Again, this is annually in millions US dollars. 2020, 52.039. 2021, 68.06. 2022, 82.21. 2023, 119. 2024, 178. So you're seeing an increase in revenue. Yes, this is why I have them, and this is why I love them, is a high yield dividend stock. This is why I'm an income investor and a hybrid of a dividend growth investor at the same time. So I'm going to start 2017, quarterly dividend, 21 cents, 24 cents. 2018, 26 cents, 28 cents. Then you look like you got a special dividend, 2018 at 89 cents. Then you have 44 cents, 46 cents, 48 cents in 2019, 49 cents, 50 cents, 40 cents, 51 cents. 2021, 52 cents, and then 53 cents, then 54. Then you have a special dividend at 97 cents. Then you have 48 cents in 2022, and then 63 cents, then 50 cents, then 57 cents, and then 2023, 58 cents, then 59 cents, then 62, then 63, and then it was at 64 cents in September 2024, and then in December, it's 63 cents. So again, it's going up there, but Again, with a dividend growth of 5 years at 9.46%, that's quite impressive. That looks like almost a dividend growth stock. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 12. So if you bought one share, you made 232 with a 10.32% dividend yield. So this is why I like them. Good passive income. I'm going to jump to the next dividend stock and the final business development company. And the final business development company is Hercules Capital Corporation, sitting at 2140. The dividend yield is 8.97%, a PE ratio of 8.22. The average volume is 2.78 million. The market cap is 13.82 billion US dollars. Year range is 1932 to 2205. Day range is 2111 to 2154. The previous close is 2101. So again, we're going to look at income trends. Okay, I'm not going to go completely in depth. In the future, I'm going to do individual reviews on these, but now is not the right time. I'm going to show you the revenue trends in dividend history. Annual data, millions of US dollars, 2014, 989, 2015, 1,025, 2016, 1,012, 2017, 1,160, 2018, 1,337, 2019, 1,528, 2020, 1,511, 2021, 1,820, 2022, 2,096, and 2023, 2,614. Now, let's jump to the dividend history. So I'm going to start in 2017, 38 cents. 2018, 39 cents, 2019, 42 cents, 2020, a little bit of a cut. I mean, the pandemic, this is why you got to be careful with high yield, 40 cents. And then in 2021, 41 cents, 2022, 45 cents. And then in 2022, it cracked 51 cents, and then it hit 48 cents. So it's a little stagnant at 48 cents. So the dividend yield is 9.14%. If you bought one share, you made 192. Dividend growth of 5 years, 5.41%. Number of dividend increases the last 5 years is 4. So again, dividend growth isn't completely there. I would love for the passive income of all three business development companies to buy my Visa, to buy my Starbucks, to buy my Microsoft, to buy my really good dividend growth stocks, Home Depot, Lowe's, ADP, those bad boys, because again, long-term wise, they're going to be the ones giving me a raise. These, I don't think so. I don't think they'll be there completely. So I just want to be clear with you on this. If you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit notification bells to miss future videos. I will have a video for you tomorrow, and I'm going to do a YouTube collaboration with my buddy Tim with Oracle Investments. So I will post the link in the comments section and post the link in the community description right when we start and or finish. So you guys take care and have a good one. Happy Dividend Warrior Wednesday, and I'm going to jump to my disclaimer. So as a reminder, this is a disclaimer. Do not use my YouTube channel for any form of financial advice. Just being honest with you, strictly for entertainment purposes only. Investing is a big risk. You can gain money, you can lose money, so be aware and do your due diligence. Go see a financial advisor if you're looking for financial advice, and tax advisor for tax advice if you're looking for tax advice. You have to be aware, you make investments, you can lose money. I've done it. I've lost some money, so I'm just being aware. You have to do your due diligence. I've gained a lot of money too, so I have some good returns, but I have lost a significant amount of money, even with my private REIT, Rich Uncles, because of the pandemic. So be aware when you're taking a risk. You can lose it all. So be aware, and you got to make smart economic and financial decisions. And that can be with that advice with a financial advisor. Take care and have a good one.